Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about best AC repair service in Phoenix. So guys, let's start. Diamond AC and heating. Diamond AC and heating repairs and replaces cooling and heating throughout the Phoenix metro area. They work with commercial and residential client and backs its service with a guarantee. The company will install, repair and maintain a wide range of air conducting related equipment including AC units that heat pumps, burners and franchises. It also recharges refrigerant and handles a list of seasonal tune-up tasks to equipment working. They cater to numerous brands such as Daikin, Day and Night and Anama. Magic Touch Mechanical. Why choose this provider? Magic Touch Mechanical offers energy efficient comfort service to homes and business in Phoenix via air conducting related solution. It has been operating for over 20 years and offers a range of service including fireplaces, energy audits, solution and air filtration. The company specializes in installation, repair, replacement and maintenance service including for AC units, furnaces and heat pumps. Magic Touch Mechanical works with brands such as Lennox, Relay, Bryant and Trane. Autumn Air Heating and Cooling. Autumn Air Heating and Cooling has been providing homes and business with air conducting related solution in Phoenix, Scottsdale and Avondale since 2003. It is a family-owned business that offers central air conducting related repair, maintenance and installation including for ductless air conducting systems. Their most and smart their most their business is an SRP certified contractor